5 of the best Raspberry Pi Pico accessories. Costing a mere $4, the Raspberry Pi Pico was launched in 2021 using in-house RP2014 chip. Unlike most other Raspberry Pi models, the Pi Pico is not macro computer, as it is classified instead as a macro controller. The biggest difference between the two is architecture. A microcomputer is essentially a small but mostly fully capable computer used to handle complex tasks, while a macrocontroller is designed to undertake a specific action like reading sensor information or controlled motors. However, the Raspberry Pi Pico can be used to create workflow and program in MacroPython and C/C++, making it great tools for beginners. DIY certificate with a tool of 26 GPIO pins. There are some very exciting Raspberry Pi Pico projects you can build. Like most of its family, however, the Raspberry Pi Pico shines the brightest when you pair it with the myriad of extensions available online. For a miniature LCD panel to a set of programmable RGB buttons. Here are the 5 accessories you should consider buying for the Raspberry Pi Pico. Waves share a 1.8-inch LCD display. Staying true to the Piconess of the microcontroller, this 1.8-inch LCD screen is the perfect add-on for touch under $10. With a resolution of 160 128 pixels and support for pick up to 65K colors, this TFT display is a great way to add visual to your Raspberry Pi Pico. The display model connects to the microcontroller using the female headers on the accessories without the need for any soldering. The SPI interface leaves most of the GPIO pins unoccupied, give up space for other accessories for further expansion. WebShare even includes a few tutorials guiding you how to best utilize the display using MicroPython. Packed into a compact housing using the operating voltage of 2.6 to 5.5 volts, which display model aligns perfectly with the Raspberry Pi Pico small size and energy efficient design. While the 1.8-inch screen real estate is not much to brag about, it serves the purpose of enabling visual output through an otherwise bare bonus microcontroller. The Pico RGB keypad base is a breath of fresh air in the realm of otherwise utility-oriented Raspberry Pi accessories. There can be multitude of purpose for extension, sometimes like a dedicated number paid to complement your TKL keyboard perhaps. The model features 16 programmable buttons, each of which contain a fully addressable RGB LED opening doors of unlimited creativity and fun. The construction is held together by a sturdy base and comes with 4 rubber feet to prevent it from sliding all over the place. Assembly is quite straightforward assembling, and Raspberry Pi Pico already has made a header solder to it.